Here's how to prepare your smoke detector for installation. Open up the box. First, you'll find your package of screws. Then remove the smoke detector and its manual. You'll see the detector comes with a dust shield on it, which you can remove for now. You'll notice the detector has two halves. Grasp each half and turn it counterclockwise to take it off its base. The base is what you'll install on your ceiling. You can see it comes with sheetrock anchors with the screws, or you can use the adhesive pads. Once you've got the base attached to your ceiling, notice the arrow on it, which is to line up with the nib on the detector's top section. Once lined up, turn the detector clockwise to lock it into place. Then, if you need to, while sanding or using heavy chemicals, you can replace the dust shield to temporarily protect it. But don't forget to remove it once you are done by easily popping it off.